This is my 18650 battery cell charger and discharger. And in this video, I want to share with you how I built this and why we need to use this. Before we proceed, please click that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please click that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when there's a new video of my new project. You may notice in my previous videos that I built an 18650 lithium battery related projects. And that is recycled from old laptop batteries. That's good for the environment because you will reduce waste by recycling. And for the economy too. Because you will make renewable energy storage for cheap. Majority of laptop batteries fail and end up to the trash due to its BMS, or there is only one battery cell that fails. But there's some hazards in recycling old laptop batteries if you directly use the harvested 18650 batteries. Because as you might know, connecting lithium battery that you are unaware of its health may cause explosion and fire hazard. This video will help us how to determine or check the health of the recycled batteries that you have. Here's the setup. We need to have a battery recycling circuit that we can charge the battery safely and observe how the battery responds. If it hits or not, does the battery receive a charge? And the other function is that we can discharge it safely and know the battery capacity. Now, this is the items that we need. To charge the 18650 battery, we need a TP4T56 single lithium battery cell charger. It has built-in overcharge protection function, so we don't need to worry about overcharging the battery. And to discharge the fully charged battery safely, we will gonna use the ZB2L3 battery capacity tester. It will give us the battery capacity in milliampere hour value after the discharge process. And to hold the battery in place, I use this dual 18650 battery holder. I also designed a 3D printed base. And using my trusted Chipo 3D printer, it is printed as expected. If you want to build this project, you can also use a basic board to mount the components on. Here's the schematic diagram. And the link of the 3D file is on the description box below. So here's the build montage. So this is it. Our battery recycler is done. And now, it's time for testing. First, let's test the charger. As you might see, the indicator light changes from blue to red when I loaded the battery. That means it is charging. And when it is already full, it will turn blue again. For me, I set aside my fully charged batteries for a month, so I can observe if the voltage drop. If that's the case, that battery has internal leakage. And if the battery voltage doesn't change after a month, we can now discharge it. We have to put the battery on the discharge battery holder. Give the board a power. Set the cutoff voltage. For me, I set it to 3 volts and press OK. it will immediately start the discharge process. Please take note that the provided resistor for ZB to L3 in this process will get quite hot. So it's good thing if you take this into account when you design your build. When the discharge process is done, the C-bin segment display will blink and show the battery capacity value. So you successfully gathered useful information about the battery and ready to use on your specific application for your battery pack or power wall or any project. If you want to test a lot of batteries, you can just replicate the charger and discharger circuit as many as you want. So that's it. It's time for me to end up this video. I hope you learned something. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell icon, hit that like button, and share this video to other people that into this project also. Again, this is John, and you're watching Mr. Budget Hobbyist. Thanks for watching. Till next time.